Hello parents. The purpose of this video is to first of all take you through what your child will need to do each morning when they are starting their school day. The very first thing they will need to do each day is log into MyPascoConnect, and then through there log onto our Zoom. Your child's teacher will be providing a username and password. It is the same username and password they have used throughout all of their school career. So it will be their student number and the funky password, which is a 5-letter, 2-digit, 1-symbol password. If you do not know what that is, please reach out to your child's teacher so that they will be able to provide that for you. So the first thing that they will need to do each day is log into MyPascoConnect. If your child is using a student district borrowed device, they will have the MyPascoConnect app already installed on their desktop, and they will simply need to click it and access MyPascoConnect. If they do not have MyPascoConnect, you're going to want to make sure that you have a browser installed on your computer and or device, and you're going to want to, and we suggest that you use Chrome since that is one that is most compatible with MyPascoConnect. I also suggest that if you do not have it installed, that you use the app buttons on the MyPascoConnect page to download it and add it to the device. Or if you're using a laptop, just go ahead and bookmark it for your child. If you do not have this on your device and you want to add this for the future for your child, you're going to want to go ahead. Easiest way to find it is through our SMAS website. If you go to your Chrome browser and type in the smas.pasco.k12.fl.us, you will see the school's website. And then from here, you're going to want to use the 3-bar drop-down menu and go to Students. On the Students link, you will see several tiles for different apps that we use. Simply click on MyPascoConnect, and it will take you to the MyPascoConnect website. Once here, a few things you can do to help your child get preset. Again, if you've bookmarked it, added it to the desktop, added it to the home page, that will be one huge step for your child so that they don't have to go through all of those extra steps each morning. Once they are here, they will need to sign in, and this is where they're going to use that funky password. Again, it is a student number and a 8-digit code for a password to log in. Once you are there, you are going to sign in, and you will see, the student will see their apps. So once the student is here, they will see all of the apps that they have available to them, and the app that they will be using first each and every day is the Zoom. When they click on Zoom, they will be prompted to join a meeting. Your child's teacher will provide their meeting ID and also a password for you to use to keep it secure. Now, one thing that will happen is you can see there are many apps on here that the students will need, and when they log into them through MyPascoConnect, usually it is a auto sign-in, but sometimes they will still need to have passwords saved. Also, something that helps, as you saw when I went to sign in, was I had multiple passwords saved. Myself and my 5 children will share a device, and having those passwords saved help a lot. To save passwords, this is something I will need you as a parent to do on the student's device, and this is also if you borrowed a device from the district, I will need you to go in and change this setting. We do ask parents that you do not change other settings but this one setting will help your child when logging in. So to change the setting, you're going to go to Chrome and Preferences. And from there, you're going to go to Passwords. Under Passwords, it will give you the option. You'll see here it says Offer to Save Passwords and Auto Sign In. These two are set on your child's computer right now. They are set to off. You will want to go in and set them both to on so that in the future, as they are logging in to different places, they will have the opportunity to be prompted to have their password remembered, and then they will also be able to save their passwords for any time they log in, which helps a lot with remembering that funky password and logging into MyPascoConnect each day. There's one more thing that I did want to share with you, and that is this class link page. Some students, as they have been prompted to log into MyPascoConnect for the first time since the summer, ClassLink is prompting them to find their login page. And you can do this multiple ways. You can either use your location, where you can click this button and it will populate all of the schools that are in our local area, or you can just go, and again, it just takes you right back to the sign-in page. And you can see here how much easier it would be for your child if you have saved those passwords, that password, the username and password will automatically be there, and the student will only need to click that sign-in button in order to access their computer. That is it for this video. I hope that it has answered some questions and will help you with what your child will need to do and give you some ways that you can make their daily logging in easier each day. If you have any questions, please feel free to make sure and reach out to your child's teacher, and they will be able to provide further assistance for you. Thank you.